As a leading security company, we supply body cameras to our guards. But do body cameras really help security guards? Hi, I'm Holly with Region Security Guardian's YouTube channel, and in today's video, we were talking all about the benefits of body cameras. Cameras are a small video and audio recording device which are becoming extremely popular within the security industry. Guards will use them throughout their shifts and during routine patrols. But security guards aren't the only people who use body cameras. Body cameras will also be used by the police force, in the military, in fire and rescue services, in retail shops, on construction sites, and in healthcare. Body cameras will also be used by people for their own personal protection. Where to buy body cameras? After doing some research online, we found that you can buy body cameras from both in physical stores and online. Body cameras will be sold in stores like Currys and online websites such as Amazon and eBay. There are many different types of body cameras available, and we found that some of the most popular brands are Hi-Rita, Pinnacle, and The Partner. Body-worn cameras reduce crime. The main reason why security guards will wear body cameras is because they are an asset in reducing crime. Body cameras deter crime as they act as a visual deterrent against thieves, and people are less likely to commit crimes when they know they are being watched or recorded. What are the benefits of body-worn cameras? There are many benefits for using body cameras. One of the biggest benefits of body cameras is the recorded footage from the camera, as this can be used as evidence in court courts and other situations. For example, if a security guard has been wrongly accused of misconduct, the footage from a body camera can be used against these allegations. Another benefit of body cameras is that they can be used to perform remote surveillance. This means that one guard can be wearing a body camera during their shift, while another officer can monitor and review the footage from the camera in real time and see everything that the guard is seeing. Body cameras are also useful as they can be a great tool for training new guards. Some security firms may use the recorded footage from body cameras to train new staff members, as it can teach them about security situations. Some other benefits of body cameras are they are easy to carry, they can increase public safety, and that they will have advanced night vision features. What are the disadvantages of body cameras? Like all things, body cameras will also have some disadvantages as well. One of the biggest disadvantages for body cameras is that people believe they can cause additional liability issues for security firms, but this will depend on the situation and the actions of a guard. If the footage recorded from a body camera showcases a guard in bad light, then this footage could be used against the security firm in a lawsuit. Other disadvantages to body cameras are that people feel that they are an invasion to privacy, and some people think they are very expensive. So that's the end of our video. What do you think of body cameras? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with all the latest security guarding news. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next one.